Addition is the action of adding something to something else. Tungaloy ADDFORCE tools and inserts combine superb geometries and grades for the unbeatable combination of values in metalworking. Tungaloy's AddTurn, AddMill, AddDrill, AddGroove, and AddParting tool lines are add-ins that provide the perfect sum for great machining productivity. Tungaloy's ADDFORCE tool lines provide added turning, added milling, added drilling, added grooving, and added parting forces, which guarantee whole results for new-age machining. ADDFORCE turning tools and inserts promise vibration-free, accurate turning with longer tool life. Plus, ADDFORCE milling tools and inserts assure fast-feed milling, able to contend with the high demands of new milling centers. Plus, ADDFORCE drilling tools and inserts guarantee outstanding concentricity, unsurpassable surface finish, and high repeatability in hole making. Plus, ADDFORCE miniature precise grooving tools and inserts, now available in even smaller sizes. Plus, ADDFORCE parting systems, now machining at any feeds or speeds, and assure superlative parting results. To compete and remain ahead of the competition, you need easy-to-use, all-in-one machining solutions. Tungaloy ADDFORCE, the additional force required for your success.